Most people get this wrong. They assume all credit monitoring apps do the same thing, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is picking one without understanding how they actually track your credit and what tools they really offer. In this video, we are comparing Credit Sesame and Credit Karma in 2026 and answering the real question: which one is actually better for your credit journey? Let's start with the basics. Both Credit Sesames and Credit Karma are free credit monitoring platforms that help you track your credit score and report. But they are not identical. And that difference matters more than most people realize. Now here's where it gets interesting. Credit Karma primarily uses TransUnion and Equifax data to show your credit report. It focuses on giving you a broad credit overview, along with credit card offers and financial recommendations. Credit Sesame, on the other hand, is more focused on credit monitoring plus identity protection tools, and it often pulls from different data sources depending on your profile. So let's break this down step by step. By D. First, accuracy. Both platforms are generally accurate, but neither is a direct replacement for your official credit report. For someone like Alex, who just wants to track score trends, both tools work well. But here's the problem most users don't realize. Your credit score may look slightly different on each platform. That is because they may use different scoring models or update timing. So small differences are normal and expected. Now let's talk about features. Credit Karma offers a very user-friendly dashboard, credit card recommendations, loan offers, and detailed credit breakdowns. It is designed to help you actively improve your credit decisions. Credit Sesame focuses more on credit monitoring alerts and identity protection features. It also gives personalized financial insights based on your credit profile. In a minute, I'll show you which one actually helps you improve your credit faster, instead of just showing you numbers. Now let's talk about credit building impact. Neither Credit Sesame nor Credit Karma directly improves your credit score by itself. They are monitoring tools, not credit builders. But they can guide your decisions, which indirectly helps you improve over time. For someone like Jake who is trying to rebuild credit, Credit Karma may feel more actionable, because it suggests specific credit cards and loans you might qualify for. But Credit Sesame may feel more security-focused, if your priority is protecting your identity and tracking credit changes. So which one is better in 2026? Credit Karma is better for hands-on credit building guidance and financial product recommendations. Credit Sesame is better for monitoring, alerts, and identity protection focus. Let's make it simple. If you want to actively improve and manage credit decisions, Credit Karma is usually the stronger choice. If you want simple monitoring with added protection features, Credit Sesame is solid. Let's summarize everything clearly. Both tools are free, both are useful, but they serve slightly different purposes. Credit Karma is more action-oriented, while Credit Sesame is more monitoring-focused. If this helped you understand the difference, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit breakdowns like this.